Well, somebody asked me to do this, but I'm not the person that want to say something about what happened. I'm more like the person that want to be in the party, stay, take some drinks, stay with some ladies, that's the life, man. For that reason, one of my best friends is Jay Gatsby. Yeah, that mysterious man that anybody know about his past. Some people say that he was a spy from the government. Other people say that he was a soldier. I don't care. I just care that Gatsby do amazing parties. He's the crack. So I have to begin when Nick came to Long Island. Well, at first we only were Gatsby and me, we were neighbors. We always do some parties, but my wife always doesn't want that I go to that parties, but I don't care. You know. So, and Nick came to Long Island and became our new neighbor. Yeah, Nick is really strange. He's so quiet. He doesn't talk too much. I don't know, it's different to us. Maybe he doesn't know how to live the life. Yeah. So, one of the familiars of Nick is Daisy Buchanan. Yeah, Tom's wife. And like Tom is my other friend that live in the other part of Long Island, I think, oh, that's good, amazing. So Tom and Nick became good friends. Yeah, but Tom do something that I didn't expect. That was that Tom go and let Nick to meet Myrtle. And you will ask, who is Myrtle? Myrtle is Tom's affair, Tom's lover. So I was so mad because, hey, I was the only one to know that. Tom and me were the best friends. We only do know that. And Nick doesn't say anything. He was so quiet. Very strange person. Really strange. So I I don't care about what happened, what Nick and Tom did, but I will tell you the real and what I think that is the best. That was when Gatsby do the best party of ever times. I was surprised because there were too many people and powerful people like me. Yeah, you know. So Tom and Tom and Myrtle were lovers, but only Nick and me know about that. Daisy doesn't know. But in the party happened the best because my wife tell me that the Daisy and Gatsby were in love in the past, that they have a relationship in the past, but like Gatsby have to go to the war and be a soldier, they get separate. So I was surprised. Oh my god, I didn't believe you. How that's possible? So with Daisy and Gatsby and meet again in the party. That was very strange because I know that they were in love and maybe they have an affair. Yeah, my wife tell me that I suspect something. So that was so impact to all the people that were in the party. So Tom, the husband of Daisy, suspects something. So he started to searching and finding something. He asked me, "Hey, you know if something is happening between Gatsby and my wife, and like Gatsby is my other friend, I didn't tell anything because it's my friend. I wouldn't do something that will destroy his life. So I really think that the important and amazing will happen later. So thanks to listening.